You know, after a disappointing 2018 where Bell only hit 12 home runs, he really worked this offseason to stay tall, and it has really paid off for him.
More from 60 feet, 6 inches away. Well, what is a batting practice pitcher throwing?
I mean, he's throwing in the 60s. Now, when you move him up, it might be closer to an equivalent of 80.
Bid at ebay.com/ESPN. All right, the timeout pays off as we're back, and Guerrero hits that first one over the wall in left.
That's a line
Watch
drive.
out, kid.
The next one's hammered a little higher.
That just hit the scoreboard.
But he's under 2 with the 30-second bonus.
All it takes is him to get on a little bit of a roll, and he'll hit a lot out in a row. Than anybody in Major League Baseball, moonshots out straight away.
Well, there's a long one here. He's already got his 30 seconds of extra bonus time. We're getting pitches thrown before baseballs land, and maybe it's a agreement between the players. This is how we're doing it.
Yeah, listen, I don't think it's a big deal. I don't think the rule is that important. And he made him this offseason to get the ball in the air a little bit easier, and is now hitting balls all over the ballpark and home runs left and right. At 20 years old,
right.
I'm going to watch this guy for a long time.
Well, he's just rolling along. He's already got one at 440, and he may have just hit his second one. That was 476. That's a good start, and that one is hammered. Chapman having a huge year, by the way. 21 homers already, and a career high of 24. That one climbed over the wall.
Oh, my goodness.
3 for 3.